Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about question 0303. This question is a bit trickier than the ones before because it's got three brackets instead of the typical two. But the principle isn't too hard. Just to remind you, the rules of bracket expansion is that one, we explode the brackets, okay, and then two, we share the brackets. And then three, we collect the terms. So what do we mean by that? Well, let's see. So if you've got an x plus 4 and then x minus 7 and x plus 8, what I'll do first is I will do I'll do the first bit here, everything in red, and I'm going to leave the blue by itself. Okay, so let's get started with that. I'm going to explode now. I'm going to explode, put everything in a big bracket first. Well, I'm going to say that's x, and x minus 7 plus 4, and then x minus 7. Again, close off on the big bracket, and now I've got an x plus 8 here. Okay, why do I need big bracket? Well, because that's the red bit. I didn't want to write in a red pen. That's all. And then here, that's the blue bit. Okay, let's keep going. So I've got done the first bit now, and then I'll do the second bit, which is to share the brackets. So whatever's in here, I've got an x times x. Okay, x times x. Okay, and then I have an x multiplied by minus 7. Okay, and then I have a 4 times x, and now I have a 4 times a minus 7. And that's my red bracket done. And then I have my x plus 8 there. Okay, the next thing is I'm just going to multiply all the terms, just simplify a little bit. So x squared minus 7x plus 4x minus 28. Okay, again, remember to take care when you multiply by negative numbers. I will always put them in the bracket just to remind myself. X plus 8 there. So now I want to do my final bit, which is to collect the terms. So I've got x squared, I've got minus 7x and then plus 4x, so that gives me minus 3x and minus 28. I've got x plus 8. Okay, what do I do now? Well, I do exactly the same rules again. I do exactly the same thing again. Remember what I did here? I'm going to use green. What I did here was I did step 1 here, which is explode the bracket. Step 2, which is to share the bracket. And then here step 3. Step 3, I collected the terms. What am I going to do again now is I'm going to explode the brackets. So I'm going to have an x squared, x plus 8, then minus 3x, x plus 8, and a minus 28, x plus 8. Right, so then I'm going to be able to keep going, and then now I explode, right? So I've done my first step. Now I'm going to do my second step, which is to share the brackets. So here I have x squared times x plus x squared times 8 minus 3x times x. And then here I'm going to take care, minus 3x times 8. Here minus 28 times x, then minus 28 times 8. Okay, so then I'm going to just multiply out the terms, make my life a little bit simpler. So x squared times x is x cubed. Here that's 8x squared minus 3x squared minus 24x minus 28x minus, wow, that is 28 times 8. Don't really know what that is. Let me just do that. 64. And that's 16 plus that, so that's 22. 224. Actually, I think the answer, the question actually gave it to us, didn't they? They said a minus 224, so I didn't actually need to do this. Okay, then let's just finalize all the terms now. So here I have my step 3, collect all the terms. So I've got x cubed, okay, plus 8 minus 3, so plus 5x squared, minus 24x minus 28x, so that is going to be minus 52x, and then minus 224. Okay, so then the last thing was, what are they trying to ask us? Or they're trying to ask us for A and B. And what is A? A is there and B is there. Okay, so what is our A and B? Well, our A and B is just going to be here, right? That's my A and that's my B. So, so then I can just say, well, A is equal to 5, and then B is equal to minus 52. So yeah, it's a long question, but all you need to do is just follow the 3 rules, okay? 3 rules: explode, share, and then collect. And you just do it twice. You just do it twice, and everything falls into place. Everything falls into place, just like that. Okay, cool. And I'll see you in the next video.